today is February 5 and na-invite tayo sa launching ng isang event sa Makati. Ang pangalan ng brand ay Up and Up PH, so check nyo sila sa Instagram. So I was invited by Miss Lynn Vidalion. Thank you so much for inviting me, Miss Lynn. First time ko ma-invite sa isang event and medyo kinakabahan ako. And excited at the same time kasi mamimik yung ibang YouTuber friends. And first time ko mag-vlog, guys. I don't know. Pero let me know, guys, if you want to see more of this kind of vlog. So yeah, samahan niyo ako sa event. Kasama ko pala si James Reid. Hi! Hi! So sasamahan niya ako sa event and nasa taxi stand kami ngayon. Papunta sa event. And just a quick OOTD. Here's my outfit of the day. Hi guys! On the way na kami sa event! Yay! Say hi!
Hi! Hi!
Hey guys! Naglalakad na kami! Guys, ang bigat ng camera ko ha, in fairness. Wala pa kasi akong vlogging camera, di pa afford. So, siya nang una, hinahanap niya yung daan kasi hindi namin kabisado dito. So, haha! So, andito na kami sa Aguirre Street. Ayan! Nakikita ko na yung building. Guys, andito na tayo. Thank you, Miss Lynn, for inviting me, for inviting us.
Thank you for inviting me.
Nice meeting you, Cory. Miss Ria.
Nice meeting you after a while.
Ayan po si Miss Ria.
It's my first time.
Yay, nice meeting you.
First time like that to have an event, so
More to come.
Yes.
Hi guys, pandito tayo ngayon sa Abdellas Restaurant. And guys, naiiyak ako. Grabe, first time ko ma-invite sa event. So, ayan. So, hinihintay namin yung ibang YouTubers. And, oh my gosh, guys, ako na una. Early bird. Anyway, mas ako na yung maaga. So, first time ko na-meet today si Kerwin.
Hi! Ang ganda ng camera mo.
Ay, kundi lang. So, mayroon din siyang YouTube channel.
Yes, punta kayo sa channel ko. It's Kiwi Kawaii, as in yung Japanese ng cute, kawaii. Kiwi yung prutas.
Super cute. Visit
Yes.
kayo sa channel niya, guys, ha? So, ilalagay ko yung link sa description box.
Yay, thank
Nice
you.
meeting you, Kerwin.
Nice meeting you, Christine.
Ayun, guys, oh, may pangalan ako. Kasama ko si Miss Lynn. Thank you so much for inviting me. Nasa Up and Up PH tayo. Follow niyo sila sa Instagram, ha, guys? Yay! And, kasama ko din po si...
hi, I'm Mindy.
Mindy. Hi, nice to... Ay, Dindin. Nice to meet you, Dindin.
Hello, Up and Up
Oh, may YouTube channel ka? What's your name?
Dindin Telen.
Dindin
Telen.
Telen. Guys, subscribe kayo sa kanya. Visit yung channel niya.
Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, yung other YouTubers. Ayan si, si Miss Joyce.
I love so many friends.
Introduce myself. I'm Dean Vitor. I'm RN-HL. Ito talaga yung full-time job ko. Pero I'm working with Beauty Essentials by Armaki as their marketing manager and consultant. Started the company, I called it Beauty kasi parang beauty boutique, and then I wanted to do something online. But then when I met Lynn, I thought that, you know, I wanted to tap the younger ones who are more active. Massage nyo lang siya sa face nyo. Maganda siya for travel purposes kasi guys, wipes lang kailangan. Pag feeling mo nasa biyahe ka, naglalagkit yung mukha mo. Hindi naman siya, hindi po na pag winipes mong gano'n, parang ang sticky.
your concerned areas. Or, of course, it's always good to put it in your whole face. There's no maximum or minimum limit to as much as you want to put it.
Burger!
Let's eat, guys. So this is my food. Guys, tapos na kami kumain and mag-CR muna ako. Martha, sila Miss Jenzel, sila Abby, sila pa ba yung mga nandun? And Joyce and others. Super nice naman nila, guys. Mabait sila, approachable. Eh, nakaka-starstruck kasi pinapanood ko lang sila. Pero ngayon, nakita ko sila. Oh my gosh, sobrang asarap lang sa pakiramdam. Sana ma-invite pa tayo sa ibang events. And yeah, they gave us this box right here. Oh, ang cute. Let's see what's inside. Super cute! Hey guys! Nalobat na yung cam ko. So, ito na ang iPhone ko ang ginagamit ko. So, pauwi na kami tapos na yung event. And, sobrang fun kasi dami ako na-meet na YouTubers. And, sobrang bait ni Miss Lynn. And yung owner si Miss Rhea. Nakakatawa. And, binigyan nila kami ng mga products na nilaunch nila. So, follow them on Instagram, guys. apinaph. Lakad mo na. Hey there.
Hello. I think this is green belt.
Green belt na? Oh, cool. Guys, first time ko mag-vlog ng ganito. Please let me know in the comments below if you like this kind of video. Para matuloy ko. So, nasa green belt 5 pala kami. Lalakarin na lang namin hanggang sa Kayan. Lapit na Valentine's Day, guys. What's your plan? Tayo. Tulog lang. Movie marathon. Nasa BGC bus station na kami. Dami ko na-meet ngayong araw. Na-meet ko yung previous workmates ko. Hi, Jera. Mayroon din siyang YouTube channel. Ay, lalagay ko na lang yung YouTube channel niya sa description box. And gumawa kami ng video together. It's a Q&A video. Get to know me better dun sa Q&A video na yon. And lalagay ko yung link sa description box. Na-meet ko rin yung iba. Like Michelle. Hi, Michelle. And hi, Melissa. And Pretty Carol. Hello. Hi guys, I am home and I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much, apinaph, for inviting me and Miss Lynn. Sa mga na-meet ko kanina. Thank you guys. Nice meeting you all. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video if you find it enjoyable. If you enjoyed it. And subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!